What is calculus used for in the medical field, you ask?
Calculus has many real-life applications in ways that people would not imagine. Calculus is often employed in the field of pharmacology to determine the best dosage forms that provide a steady rate of dissolution of the drug. In many cases, a tablet that is taken passes in the aqueous solution of the stomach where it slowly dissolves. Involuntary body functions, such as the way the blood flows and the way you breathe, can calculate from the use of calculus.
What is a tumor, you ask?
Swelling of a part of the body, generally without inflammation caused by an abnormal growth of tissues.
Relating a tumor to calculus?
Tumors can differ significantly in shape. For example, a cancerous tumor originating in the glandular tissue tends to be more irregularly shaped, while a benign tumor originating in the glandular tissue can be more regularly shaped. Assume we're studying a tumor that is approximately spherical. A tumor grows such that the radius expands at a rate constant k.
By using the principle of calculus, we can find how fast a tumor is shrinking/growing, the size when the tumor will stop growing, and certain treatments should be given, and finding the volume of a tumor. Growth rate declines over time due to prolonged cell cycle, decreased oxygen/nutrient availability, increased rate of cell death. This is a differential equation where V is the volume at a certain time, N is the number of cells, W is the weight, A is the growth constant, and B is the constant for growth retardation. As time approaches infinity, the size of the tumor is limited. Points to consider when solving this equation. Rate at which the tumor grows is directly proportional to the volume. Growth over a short period of time, usually at the beginning of formation, implies a tumor will grow constantly. In 1970, a study was conducted on mouse memory tumors. The tumors were growing at a constant rate of 0.412. The rate of retardation was 0.0439. Find the number of cells this tumor has.
Let V be the volume and N be the number of cells. Substitute the values A and B. Separate the variables. Integrate using substitution.
Multiply inside and divide outside by negative 0.412 and replace dn with du. Simplify the equation. Write as a power of e. Replace u. Find c. Assume that n of O equals n naught and substitute into n of t. And this is the final answer.